Hidden in the foothills of Saratoga, there lies a quiet garden where time slows down, the world fades away, and Japan feels just a few steps from home.
We are Joe and Esther. Come with us while we grab coffee and go to our next road trip destination. We love to travel and experience nature, even if it takes us to places unknown.
Tucked into the quiet foothills of Saratoga, where the Santa Cruz Mountains begin to rise and the noise of Silicon Valley slowly fades away, there's a place that feels like stepping through time and across the ocean. Hakone Estates and Gardens. At first, it doesn't look like much from the road, just trees, a modest entrance, and a hint of stone. But once inside, the world changes. The air feels softer here, quieter, as if the gardens itself is asking you to slow down. Gravel crunches beneath your feet as the path curves gently forward, leading you away from the modern world and into something far older. Bamboo sways overhead, maple leaves flutter in the breeze, and suddenly the architecture appears. Wooden gates, tilted roofs, and delicate details that feel unmistakably Japanese. Hakone isn't just a garden, it's a story more than a century old. Built in 1915, it's one of the oldest Japanese-style residential gardens in the Western Hemisphere, a cultural bridge between Japan and California, carefully designed to honor harmony, balance, and nature. And you can feel the intention in every step. Nothing here is rushed. Nothing is accidental. Stone lanterns sit quietly beside koi ponds, their reflections rippling in the water. Bright orange fish glide beneath the surface like brush strokes. A wooden bridge arches gracefully over the pond, inviting you to pause, to look, to breathe.
Aww. Come here. Right here. Right here.
Each turn of the path reveals something new. A hidden bench, a trickling waterfall, a carefully placed rock that looks like it has always belonged there. Even the silence feels designed. Then the gardens open up to the hill and pond garden. Wide views, layered greenery, and distant mountain silhouettes framing the scene like a painting.
Welcome to Hakone Gardens. In just a few weeks, cherry blossom will come this way, and all these trees right here will produce beautiful flowers.
In spring, cherry blossoms dust the trees with pink. In autumn, fiery red maples light up the hillside. Every season paints Hakone differently, but it's always peaceful, always reflective. Climbing higher, the historic tea house waits at the top, simple, elegant, and still. It feels like the heart of the estate, a place meant for quiet conversations and moments of mindfulness. From here, you can look down over the gardens and see the winding paths you've taken, like memories unfolding below. There's something grounding about this place. Maybe it's the sound of the wind through the bamboo, or the way the water moves through stone channels, or how the design gently reminds you to slow down and pace and simply exist. Hakone doesn't demand attention, it earns it. It invites you to wander without a destination, to sit without checking the time, to let nature set the rhythm. And for a little while, the world outside disappears. In the heart of Silicon Valley, surrounded by innovation and constant motion, Hakone Estates and Gardens feels like a quiet counterbalance, a reminder that beauty can be subtle and stillness can be powerful. Not just a garden, but a sanctuary, a place to breathe, a small piece of Japan hidden in the hills of Saratoga.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.